Alright, so it's time to start our second NASCAR Craftsman Series coverage of 2024, live from beautiful Darlington, South Carolina for Throwback Weekend for the Trucks. I'm really looking forward to see what's going on. I even made my TV setting in 1980s or 70s style. But still, no matter what time it is, we're gonna have a fun time. Throwback style, it's gonna be fun. Here we go. Green flag at Darlington for Throwback Weekend. Great start for Corey Heim in the number 11 St. Life Toyota Tundra. Already off to a good start. He's looking fantastic, but here comes Kyle Busch in the number 7 Inspired Motorsports Chevrolet Silverado, trying to get a win in his first career Truck Series start at Darlington, South Carolina. This is his first ever race there. He has plenty of wins in the Cup Series and the Xfinity Series as he battles against Corey Heim. It's Kyle Busch versus the 11 as he goes through turns 1 coming towards turn 2 as Kyle Busch tries to take the lead, and he does. But barely. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Man. Ah, man. Ay, ay, ay.
Wow, that escalated quickly.
Ay, ay, ay. Ah, I mean, Kyle did get loose, but there is a lot of damage to the truck, but wow. Man, I was really cheering him on, but still. Ay, ay, ay. Man. Man, that changed pretty fast. Ooh, ay, ay, ay. Not how he wanted to start off the night. Ay, ay, ay. Ouch, that's definitely got hurt. Ay, ay, ay. Knowing Kyle, he's not going to give up. So I got full faith in the 7. Ooh. Man. This is tough.
This is his 5th and final race of the season.
Aye, aye, aye.
They're on pit road right now, as you can see him limping toward pit road.
I think he'll be okay.
That right there just says it all. This place is that difficult.
Hopefully Kyle will be okay, that's for sure. Wait, what?
Yeah, I think he agrees with you, Michael. Done.
Oh, no.
My goodness, lap number 2, caution comes out.
He's... Aw, man.
We will step aside and take him to
Ay, ay, ay.
truck. Meanwhile, Corey Heim out front.
That was tough. Hopefully Kyle will be okay.